Good morning. Today is Sadbhavna Divas. Sadbhavna Divas is observed on 20th August to commemorate the birth anniversary of the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi.
सद्भावना दिवस हम देश के प्रधानमंत्री राजीव गांधी की जयंती के रूप में मनाते हैं। इस साल उनकी 78वीं जयंती है।
Sadbhavna is in English language means harmony, goodwill and bona fide.
40 वर्ष की उम्र में राजीव गांधी भारत देश के सबसे युवा प्रधानमंत्री बने थे। वो 1984 से 1979 तक भारत देश के प्रधानमंत्री रहे।
भारत के लिए उनके विजन और समाज की बेहतरी के लिए उनके योगदान को कभी भुलाया नहीं जा सकता। In 1992, the Rajiv Gandhi National Sadbhavna Award was instituted in the memory of the former Prime Minister.
Every year, this award is given to those who devote their lives to communal understanding and promoting social harmony.
Rajiv always wanted to see India as a developed and progressive country.
Rajiv Gandhi thought process was modern and quite progressive.
Sadbhavna Divas is also known as Harmony Day. It is celebrated with an objective to encourage national integration, peace, affection and communal harmony among the Indian people of all religions and languages.
Today, we are going to present before you a skit on Sadbhavna Divas.
तपन ने मैंने जबरदस्ती गिरा दिया। He pushed me and hit me hard.
Hey, I didn't do it intentionally.
He is telling lies. इसने मैंने लंगी मारी। पापा, इसने मैंने लंगी मारी। Hey, Tapan, why did you hit my son?
No, uncle, I did not push him. He fell down on his own.
Oh, Thaja, I am going to teach you a lesson.
Hey, why are you hitting my son? तुम मेरे लड़का को काहे को मारता है?
ओए बंगाली, तेरे पुत्र ने मेरे पुत्र को मारा। I will teach this खोता a lesson.
खोता?
हा हा हा। अरे खोते का मतलब नहीं जानता बाबू। पंजाबी में डोंकी को खोता बोलते हैं। ढेचू 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 हुर।
हे बिहारी, तुम मेरे लड़का पर हंसता है? तुम भैया लोग जिधर भी जाता है गौन फैलाता है। And you Gurjeet, you Punjabis are always looking for an excuse to fight.
अय्यो, एकदम करेक्ट बोला जी। ये पंजाबी लोग हमेशा क्वारल करता जी।
Oh, you shut up, Madrasi. Oh, इडली डोसा खा के तेरा मुंह भी डोसे वर्गा हो गया। Your face is like a big dosa.
अय्यो, how dare you call me डोसा जी। अगर मैं डोसा होता जी तो तुम छोला भटूरा होता जी।
ओए डोसे।
ओए भटूरे।
ओए डोसे।
ओए भटूरे।
डोसे।
भटूरे।
डोसे।
भटूरे।
डोसे। अरे बाबा, तुम लोग काय को खाली पीली बम मारता है।
अरे बड़ी बम नहीं मारता नहीं, एक दूसरे पे डोसा भटूरा मारता नहीं बड़ी।
अरे ओए सिंधी कड़ी, तुम लोग कड़ी और पापड़ खा के बम मारता है। You make the whole atmosphere poisonous.
और बिहारी, अरे बड़ी माइंड योर लैंग्वेज बाबा। तुम भैया लोग पूरी कंट्री को बिहार बनाने में लगाए नहीं। अरे बड़ी, व्हाई डोंट यू गो एंड राइट टैक्सी इन बिहार? जाके टैक्सी चलाऊंगी, चलिए कहीं।
अय्यो, ये पंजाबी लोग होल इंडिया को अपना जागीर समझता है जी।
ओए लुंगी, जिधर देखो उधर लुंगी डांस करके लुंगी उठा के नाचने लगता है। लुंगी नहीं जगत। You South Indian are anti-Hindi languages.
अय्यो, how dare you call us anti-Hindi languages?
And you Punjabis are rowdies.
How dare you call us rowdy?
No, you are rowdies.
You are rowdies.
You are rowdies.
You are rowdies.
Go away.
So you see, they all start excusing each other. They even stop talking to each other. They even instructed to the children not to play with each other.
So you see, a small quarrel among the playing children grew up into a big fight of regionalism. They forgot that before being a Punjabi or Bengali or South Indian or Bihari or Madrasi, they were all Indian first.
A few days later, kidnappers tried to kidnap Bengali son Tapan. The Punjabi boy Manjeet tried to protect Tapan from them.
Hey, I have come to know that these days Bengali are earning a lot of money.
Yes, boss. Yes, he has a lot of cash in his house.
Let us kidnap Bengali son. Tapan has from big and some.
Oh, that's a good idea. Tomorrow when he is coming back from college, we will kidnap him.
Yes, we will kidnap him.
Come on, let's go.
Help! Leave him!
Uncle Manjeet.
What happened to Manjeet?
Uncle, kidnap kidnappers stabbed him. He is injured very badly.
Ayyo, Guruji, your son is admitted in the hospital, ji.
Manjeet! Doctor, how is my son?
The condition of your son is very critical. There has been lot of blood loss. We need at least 5 to 6 bottles of blood. Can you arrange it?
You take my blood. Your son suffered injuries to save my son's life. The least I can do it to give my blood to save your son's life.
I'm also ready to give my blood. After all, your kid is so courageous.
I am also ready to give my blood.
Ayyo, this Lungi master is also ready to give blood.
We all are ready to give our blood.
So all the neighbors give their blood to Manjeet and pray for his life.
हे वाहेगुरु मंजीत नु बचा लो.
हे बालाजी, मंजीत को नया जिंदगी दो.
Hey Durga Ma, save Manjeet's life.
या अल्लाह मंजीत पर रहम कर और उसे सेहत बख्श. हे अल्लाह मंजीत को नई जिंदगी दे.
Congratulations, Mr. Gurjeet, your son is out of danger now. You are lucky to have such a good news.
Thank
God, our
prayer has been answered.
Manjeet is safe now.
Thank you all of you.
The story of our country amid diversity is remarkable because it conveys a clear message that our country is more important and powerful than any religion and community.
We can all live in harmony if we show tolerance towards each other regardless of our culture, traditions and values.
This incident has teaches us a very lesson. We all are Indians first. So what if our culture is different? The color of our blood is same. And we are taking a pledge on this day that we will protect our unity, peace, unity and harmony of our country. Happy Santa